If your device stops printing, it may be because of two reasons. The first reason being your device has run out of paper. To fix this, open the top of the device, lift the hatch up, and see if there's any paper in the holder. If there isn't, put in a new roll, remembering to have the paper be facing forward and up out of the machine. The second reason your machine isn't printing may be because the Bluetooth button is turned off. To turn on Bluetooth, first slide down the top of the screen with your finger to access the drop-down menu. Make sure the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth are all turned on. Also, make sure airplane mode is turned off. After completing both of these, your machine should be printing your orders again.